Welcome to Kentucky Fried Chicken. We may be hundreds of miles away from the Bluegrass State, but today we are trying a dish that had instant Jake 8 potential the moment it was released. The brand new chicken and donut sandwich from KFC.
Jake's 8. He's having a taste. Jake's 8. He's putting food in his face. Jake's 8.
Here is what we do know. This freaky little guy is composed of an extra crispy fillet between two hot and fresh glazed donuts. Here is what we do not know. KFC's chicken recipe. That is because it is super secret. The recipe is kept under literal lock and key at the KFC headquarters in Louisville. Plus, as you may know, the official slogan for KFC is finger licking good. Is licking your fingers at the table rude and disgusting? It depends on who you ask. Now, earlier today, I stumbled my way to etiquettescholar.com for a list of bad table manners. And it turns out, licking your fingers, nowhere on the list. And this chicken and donut sandwich has a total of 1,100 calories. That's the third most on a Jake 8 episode. In fact, number 1 and number 2 each also included breakfast-related items. I'm excited. Let's give it a go.
Jake's 8.